Kiroko gia tene arimi a mucere thikimu-ini ya Mwea megwikinyite igoti inene ria Kiruguya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga niguo kuheo mwerekera ni igoti iguru rigie ciro ria mahandite wa kuregana na kodi withi giki ni thirikari. Gukiria oroguo thirikari ni itungirio igutha thutha wa mucirithania Edward Mureithi kurugamia thirikari kwendia githii giki ihinda-ini ria thiku 7 o nginya ciro yuthikiririo muthi wa mwambirio kiumia giukite.
I'm not able to proceed ex parte without being satisfied that the Attorney General has been served and he has refused to come. You understand that? What you are asking me to do is a matter of great moment. So I am not able to proceed without seeing that they have been served and they have refused to come. So I'm going to adjourn this matter.
Mureithi ni athire mawakiri arimi kuheana mateta mao kuri munene wa watho hamwe na urugamiri wa githii giki niguo maheane macokio mao mbere ya tariki 17 mweri uyu riria ciro uyu ugathikiririo.
By physical service, please, so that we are sure that the respondents have been served, right? Yes, thank you. We come back for hearing on the 13th of November. Sorry, on the 17th. On the 17th of November, Monday, 17th at 10 a.m. The interim order will be extended for 7 days.
Mwena-ini wa warimi ni makine itua ria igoti riri makiuga mari na mwihoko munene wa igoti guthikiriria kiriro kiao na kuhonokia githii giki.
Githii giki kia MRM ni heritage kana nokio matigari ara matigarire bende ya mau mabeirwo tondu mokite guteo Mwea. Fortunately kiria mekire ni mathondekeirwo githii kiu kia ere na nikio tugukite na nikio turagitira no tucokeirie igoti ngatho.
Ni mataririo ria makoretwo makirura githii giki gitikendio makiuga uria maigithitie mbeca na kugura macini cia guthia mucere hamwe na migunda na nyumba na wona githii giki kiendio megutigwo magitangika.
Ona gutuika igoti-ini ria twathikiria ria gwatoka mweri 17 no twina ruo muno tukiuria mucere witu gatugukwaga tuika atia macini cindi tutwathondekia tukimigura kuma Germany tukimera gugu na riu turigua nae muno yukite kwigura no mangigituika ati endio kuni kuonania ndi kubunja andu mamwe na kuonia takataka tungikura mucere kan tuika atia
ithe-ini 4 miro 1 miro 2 miro 3 miro 4 ninjo ithe icio ni citu na murimi wothe ku ni twarega nginya mbeca cia share riria githii kiu gitu kibau na no turiaga ona riu twakenderua itumirire ku
handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma igoti-ini ria Kiruguya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.